Did you know there are over 17 species of penguins in the world? That's right. Penguins are not just the adorable tuxedo-clad birds waddling on the icy expanses of Antarctica. They inhabit a variety of environments spanning the southern hemisphere. From the emperor penguin, the largest of its kind, braving the harshest Antarctic winters, to the king penguin, with its distinctive orange markings, calling the subantarctic islands home. We have the Adélie penguin, with its black head and white eye ring, thriving alongside the Gentoo penguin, identifiable by its orange beaks and feet, on the Antarctic and subantarctic islands. And let's not forget the Chinstrap penguin, with its unique black line under its chin, or the Rockhopper penguin, known for its yellow crests and hopping behavior. These are just a few examples of the diverse and remarkable penguin species that we'll be covering. Stay tuned to learn more about these fascinating and diverse creatures. Meet the largest of the lot, the emperor penguin, and its closest rival, the king penguin. In the frigid expanse of Antarctica, the emperor penguin holds court. Towering over all other penguin species, these impressive birds can reach heights of nearly 4 feet. Their striking black and white plumage is set off by a splash of sunny yellow on their chest and ear patches, making them an iconic symbol of the Antarctic wilderness. Emperor penguins are hardy survivors, adapted to endure the harshest conditions on Earth. They breed during the brutal Antarctic winter, when temperatures can plummet to 60 degrees below zero. The males incubate a single egg, balancing it on their feet and covering it with a warm layer of feathered skin, while the females trek up to 75 miles to hunt in the open ocean. Now, let's turn our attention to the king penguin, the second largest penguin species. These regal birds sport distinctive orange markings on their neck and head, a flamboyant contrast to their sleek gray bodies. King penguins call the subantarctic islands their home, with large colonies found on South Georgia and the Falkland Islands. Unlike their larger cousins, king penguins lay 2 eggs and both parents share the responsibility of incubation. Their chicks, known as oakum boys for their peculiar brown fluff, take over a year to fledge. This long developmental period means that king penguins can only breed twice in 3 years. Both emperor and king penguins are exceptional divers. They can plunge to depths of over 1,500 feet and stay submerged for more than 20 minutes in pursuit of fish and squid. Their streamlined bodies and strong flippers make them agile swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 7 miles per hour. These majestic species certainly live up to their regal names, don't they? Their resilience in the face of extreme environments and their unique life cycles are testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of nature. The emperor and king penguins truly are the monarchs of the Antarctic and subantarctic realms. Now let's move on to the smaller yet equally captivating Adélie, Gentoo, and Chinstrap penguins. Our first stop is the icy realms of Antarctica and its surrounding islands, the home of the Adélie penguin. The Adélie penguins are characterized by their black heads adorned with a white eye ring, almost as if they're wearing a pair of stylish goggles. Named after the wife of a French explorer, these birds are the quintessential Antarctic penguin, braving the harshest winters on Earth. Next, we sail towards the subantarctic islands, including the Falkland Islands and South Georgia, where we encounter the Gentoo penguins. These are the speedsters of the penguin world, capable of reaching swimming speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. They are easily recognizable by their orange beaks and feet, and they stand as the 3rd largest penguin species. These birds are known for their playful nature, often seen tobogganing on their bellies for fun and to move quickly over snow. Finally, we traverse the Antarctic and subantarctic islands, particularly the Antarctic Peninsula, and meet the Chinstrap penguins. True to their name, these penguins are identified by a thin black line under their chin, which looks like a strap holding a helmet. They are among the most common penguins, with millions of them living in the Antarctic region. Each of these species has unique adaptations that enable them to thrive in their harsh environments. For instance, the Adélie penguins have a streamlined body and strong flippers for efficient swimming, while the Gentoo penguins have a thick layer of blubber for insulation in freezing water. The Chinstrap penguins, on the other hand, have a narrow bill, allowing them to efficiently catch and eat krill. From the icy shores of Antarctica to the windswept islands of the subantarctic region, these penguins have adapted to some of the world's most extreme habitats. They may not be as large as their emperor and king cousins, but they more than make up for it with their resilience, adaptability, and charm. These species might be smaller, but they are packed with personality and charm. Next up are the Rockhopper, Magellanic, and Humboldt penguins, each with their distinct features and habitats. Let's begin with the Rockhopper penguin. These lively and energetic birds are known for their distinct hopping behavior, hence the name Rockhopper. They can be easily recognized by their yellow crests, which give them a rather punk rock look. Their home is on the subantarctic islands, including the Falkland Islands and South Georgia. Here they navigate the rocky landscapes with their unique hopping style, demonstrating an impressive agility that defies their seemingly awkward physique. Next, we have the Magellanic penguins. Named after the explorer Ferdinand Magellan, these penguins are native to South America, particularly along the coasts of Argentina and Chile. They are a sight to behold with their black and white coloration and a crescent-shaped band of black feathers across their chests. These birds are known for their loud braying calls, which they use to communicate with each other in their large colonies. Finally, meet the Humboldt penguin, another South American native. These penguins are found in the coastal regions of South America, particularly along the Humboldt Current, from which they get their name. They are identifiable by their black heads and white face markings, which form an inverted horseshoe shape around the chest. The Humboldt penguins are excellent swimmers, diving deep into the ocean to hunt for their favorite meals of small fish and squid. Each of these penguin species has adapted beautifully to their respective environments. The rockhoppers navigate rocky terrains with skill and agility, the Magellanic penguins communicate effectively in their large colonies, and the Humboldt penguins dive deep into the ocean to catch their prey. These adaptations not only help them survive but also thrive in their unique habitats. From hopping rockhoppers to the South American natives, penguins sure know how to adapt and thrive. Last but not least, meet the African and little blue penguins, each unique in their way. Let's start with the African penguin, a species also known as the black-footed penguin. With their black markings and a pink gland above the eyes, they are a sight to behold. These penguins call the southern African coasts home, including South Africa and Namibia. They've adapted to a warmer climate, quite different from their Antarctic cousins. The pink gland above their eyes helps them cope with the heat, as it darkens and lightens based on the temperature. Fascinating, isn't it? Their behavior is also quite intriguing. African penguins are monogamous and return to the same mate each year during the breeding season. They are exceptional swimmers, using their wings to propel through the water at impressive speeds. They also communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, earning them the nickname jackass penguin for their donkey-like braying. Now let's hop over to southern Australia and New Zealand to meet the little blue penguins, the smallest of all penguin species. As their name suggests, they are known for their blue and white coloration, a dazzling sight indeed. They may be small in size, but their spirit is anything but. These penguins are nocturnal on land, preferring to come ashore under the cover of darkness to avoid predators. Their days are spent fishing in the ocean, diving up to 65 feet deep to catch their prey. The little blue penguins are also monogamous and return to the same nesting site year after year, often refurbishing their nests with vegetation and pebbles. In many ways, these two species encapsulate the diversity and adaptability of penguins. Whether it's the African penguin thriving in the warm climate of southern Africa or the little blue penguin navigating the waters of Australia and New Zealand, each species has found its unique way of surviving and thriving. From the smallest penguin species to those braving the African heat, penguins are truly a diverse bunch. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the diverse world of penguins. From the majestic emperor and the vibrant king to the agile rockhopper and the petite little blue, each penguin species is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to their unique habitats. The Antarctic ice is home to the iconic emperor and the charming Adélie, while the subantarctic islands host the king and the Gentoo. The rocky coasts of South America shelter the Magellanic and Humboldt penguins, and the African coast is the realm of the African penguin. And let's not forget the little blue, dwelling in the coastal areas of Australia and New Zealand. This variety is a testament to the incredible adaptability of these creatures, each species thriving in their specific environments, from icy Antarctica to sunny South Africa. Remember, each penguin species plays a crucial role in our ecosystem, so let's do our part to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats.